This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. If you are sitting on the sidelines right now thinking the market is going to wait for you, you're about to get completely left behind. The window to secure life-changing wealth in this generation of AI is closing faster than you think. The FOMO you're feeling, it's completely justified. Look at the scoreboard. While mainstream media is telling you to be afraid of geopolitical noise and market volatility, the smart money is quietly accumulating. I didn't get rich off Palantir, NVIDIA, Tesla, and these other stocks that I traded by accident. I positioned myself before the crowd realized what was happening. If you skip this video or you click away in the first few minutes, you are missing the exact blueprint of how the next wave of millionaires is being minted right now. Pay attention because the market is moving at hyperspeed and seconds literally cost dollars. For the people who say this can't be done or the AI ship has sailed, I want to show you what absolute consistency and the right option strategy looks like. If you've been following my journey on this channel, you know where I started. I took my smaller $250,000 account and by strictly trading high probability setups, using institutional tools and my proprietary dark pool, hedge fund, psychology, and technical analysis trading strategies, I have been able to grow that portfolio to over $2 million, $2.1 million to be exact, right here in just over a year. And this is by understanding pure price action. And I also grew my micro challenge account from $900 to over $9,000 in the same time frame. Let that sink in. From $250,000 to over $2.1 million in just over a year, 14 months to be exact. I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this because you are missing out on the massive setups that happen every single week. I am breaking down exactly how I manage these positions, hunt my liquidity sweeps, and time my entries inside my Discord. If you want to stop guessing, stop chasing green candles at the top, and actually learn the mechanics of how to scale your portfolio like this so you don't get left behind on the next 20 times leg up, click the link in the information box below to get your spot secured in my Discord so that I can help you grow your portfolio. As you can see right here, all the profits that my students have been making in Discord consistently. As you can see right there, over $385,000 just from Oracle on one trade. I look forward to seeing you in the Discord real soon. All right, let's get right into the raw data that dropped literally this morning and this past Friday because the macro picture has just completely flipped the script in the Federal Reserve. First up, this morning we had the JOLTS job reports opening, and Wall Street was expecting a cool 6.8 million vacancies. Instead, the labor market completely shocked the world, surging by 731,000 openings to hit a massive 7.6 million vacancies for April. That is the single largest monthly jump we've seen since 2021, pushing job openings to near 2-year record highs. What does this mean for your portfolio? Well, it proves the American labor market is unbelievably resilient, even with the ongoing economic uncertainty and the economic and energy pressure from the sustained war or conflict in Iran. But here is the catch. Gross hiring is actually down. Companies are strictly hoarding the workers they have while listing new openings. It is a low hiring, low firing environment. Now, link that directly to what we got this past Friday from the Chicago Fed. Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee openly warned about a massive double-edged sword. He noted that while AI-driven investment demand is driving insane productivity growth, it's creating a unique type of excitement. If consumers expect massive future wealth from this AI boom, they start spending heavily right now. Combine that consumer spending with elevated supply risks, and it could actually force the Fed to look at holding rates higher for longer or even whisper about another rate hike scenario if core PCE inflation stays sticky above 3%. This is exactly where the amateurs get crushed. They see a hot JOLTS report or a hawkish Fed commentary and they panic sell their tech growth. What they don't understand is that AI productivity is deflationary by nature. Companies like NVIDIA and Palantir are the antidote to a tight labor market. When corporations can't find enough workers or labor costs skyrocket, what do? They invest heavily into enterprise software, automation, and AI infrastructure to squeeze more output per dollar. The macro data isn't telling you to sell. It's telling you exactly why big institutions are sweeping the dark pools to buy more computing power and data intelligence. The fundamental fundamental demand for the exact stocks we are trading has never been stronger. So let's take a look at the 3 stocks that you should be looking at to potentially add to your portfolio. And remember, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock, as the market is inherently risky and there's no guarantees. Protect your capital and make sure the stocks that I talk about fit your own personal needs and investing goals. The number 3 stock right now on my list that I am actively looking at is QUBT, Quantum Computing. QUBT is currently holding a solid fundamental support floor in the $11 range, with major moving average support clustered closely between $11.83 and $12.11. Quantum Computing specializes in accessible full-stack quantum hardware and software solutions, offering distinct edge with their proprietary photonic quantum computing systems using light particles rather than frozen ions or superconducting loops. They focus heavily on immediate use quantum-ready optimization software, making them a fantastic buy because they act as a pure microcap momentum play. While with short interest hovering at more than 30% of the float, a heavy influx of volume off this support floor sets up a massive short squeeze potential as the sector gains broader market traction. Financially, quantum computing operates in a high burn development phase, typically of early stage deep tech, meaning current free cash flow is negative and income generation relies on early commercial consulting and hardware installations. However, their projected revenue is accelerating as enterprise business transition from abstract testing to real-world deployment of the optimization models. Quantum computing is a crucial asset to the future of the tech sector because their photonic processors operate at room temperature. This completely removes the need for expensive, massive cryogenic cooling infrastructure, drastically lowering the barrier to entry for commercial cloud-based quantum computing. And there's been a wave of long-term price upgrades for quantum computing as well. Looking out to Wall Street's projections, analysts have given quantum computing a strong momentum profile with a 1-year consensus high target pointing up to $25, averaging a 17-year target over the next 1 year. Moving into the 3 and 5-year horizons, assuming successful scaling of their room temperature photonic systems, aggressive street price models project a price range of $50 to $70. And by the 10-year mark, if quantum computing cements its role in desktop accessibility or decentralized quantum networking nodes, the absolute highest blue sky street estimate projects a potential valuation target stretching $120 to $140. The number 2 stock I'm going to be talking about in this video is Regetti Computing, RGTI. Regetti Computing has established an active technical support floor around the $24 range, backed by its key pivot point at $25 and solid consolidation building after its explosive move over the past 2 quarters. Regetti is a pure play pioneer building scalable multi-chip quantum processors using advanced superconducting technology, highlighted by the general availability of its high-fidelity 108 qubit systems. Regetti is a compelling buy right now because it sits directly in the slipstream of the modern AI ecosystem. Their hardware optionality and intense focus on hybrid quantum classical computing make them a primary candidate for massive infrastructure integrations. We also have to talk about their cash flow and their financial growth value. From a financial perspective, Regetti's current income statement reflects an operating loss of roughly $26 million on $4.4 million in quarterly revenue. However, their revenue growth has been stunning, spiking 136% quarter over quarter and 199% year over year. And while their cash buffer requires strict management compared to the largest mega caps, their explosive revenue trajectory is highly attractive to institutional money. Regetti is a vital asset to the future of tech due to its close operational alignment with NVIDIA. Integrating Regetti's quantum processing units, QPUs, with classical GPU architecture allows data centers to process complex machine learning algorithms at speed standard chips could never replicate. Analysts on Regetti remain overly bullish, maintaining a consensus buy rating. The highest 1-year street price target has recently adjusted upwards towards $65 amid hardware breakthroughs. Looking out 3 to 5 years as hybrid quantum classical infrastructure goes mainstream across global data centers, analysts forecast a major expansion, driving street high targets into the $95 to $150 range. And over a 10-year horizon, if Regetti successfully achieves fault-tolerant quantum supremacy at a commercial scale, the highest street projections suggest a massive long-term target potential of $350 plus. Before we dive into the number 1 stock that I want to talk about in this list, if you guys missed it earlier in this video, if you want to grow your portfolio, understand the market better, and make the profits you're seeing my students make right there on the screen, let me help you grow your portfolio and achieve your goals goals. Look, I was bankrupt just 7 years ago on the bottom, and trading and investing changed my life, and I set out on a mission to help others, and you can see how much I've been helping others over the past 3.5 years. I've made many millionaires, and I've also helped thousands and thousands of students exponentially grow their portfolio with my proprietary dark pool, hedge fund strategies, psychology, as well as my technical analysis and price action tracking. I teach all of these strategies in Discord, the same strategies that I grew my smaller $250,000 account to $2.1 million as of yesterday in just 14 months, and my micro challenge account from $900 to over $9,000. If you want to learn how to do this the right way, I would love to help you. The link to get started in Discord is below. This year, all the way through 2027, looks like there's going to be so much growth. It's a 9-inning game, and we are only in the second or third inning. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity. And right now, it looks like we're only in the third inning of a 9-inning game here. We're just getting started, and there's so much growth potential in the next 1 to 3 years, and for the rest of this year, for that matter. You do not want to miss out on that. The link to get started in Discord is below. Let me show you how to level up your game and achieve your goals. The number one stock to potentially add to your portfolio right now, none other, the king of quantum right now, IonQ. IonQ is flexing significant technical strength, anchoring a heavy volume accumulation support floor in the $65 range with secondary support and structural walls down at the $59 range. While trading near the upper boundary of its macro ascent channel around $70, IonQ is the undisputed commercial leader in the trapped ion quantum computing, utilizing individual precision suspended atoms to process data with unmatched gate fidelity. This stock is the ultimate buy in the quantum space because of its absolute dominance in sovereign, government, and hyperscaler contracts. Backed heavily by public funding from the CHIPS and Science Act, IonQ boasts massive remaining performance obligation RPO that skyrocketed to over 554% year over year to $470 million. And while IonQ's record short-term operating losses at $271 million during its aggressive scale-up phase, the company possesses an unmatched war chest of $3.1 billion in cash and investments. This massive balance sheet gives them the longest, safest runway in the entire industry, removing any near-term dilution risk. Annual projected revenue is expected to blast past $357 million by 2027 and a top estimated $6.4 billion by 2031, with net income flipping structurally positive by 2028 to 2030. IonQ is an invaluable asset to tech because it's the only player actively deploying a scalable quantum networking stack, which is allowing multiple quantum computers to link together to solve complex cryptographic, pharmaceutical, and logistical data problems. Wall Street sentiment treats IonQ as the blue chip anchor of the quantum sector, commanding a consensus buy rating across major institutions. The current highest one-year street price target sits at $105 to $120, led by bullish calls from Rosenblatt. In the 3 to 5 year outlook, as commercial quantum cloud revenue begins compounding exponentially, top-tier analyst models project a high target expanding into the $180 to $260 zone and over the 10-year secular horizon as IonQ transitions into a fully profitable industrial-grade computing giant commanding trillions of operations. Ultra-bullish long-term street targets suggest an absolute maximum potential scaling upwards of $550 to $800. These stocks all have massive potential. I've given you guys the data. I've given you the analyst projections. I've given you the facts of these stocks. We've lined them up. Let's line up our positions, seize the moment, seize the opportunity to get in before these stocks move any further so that you aren't looking back in the future saying, I really wished I had gotten into these stocks before it was too late. I look forward to seeing you guys in the Discord real soon. Link to register is below, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Remember, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. The market is risky. There's no guarantees. Protect yourself. These are the stocks that I am investing in, and if you guys feel like they fit your personal needs, which they should before you invest in any stock, then it would be a good idea for you guys to potentially add them to your portfolio. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. One love, fam.